The International Criminal Court prosecutors are applying for arrest warrants for Israeli and Hamas leaders over allegations of war crimes related to the conflict in Gaza. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Hamas leader in Gaza, Yahya Sinwar, are among those named. Seung-jae reports.
With thousands of civilians dead since the war between Israel and Hamas in Gaza, the International Criminal Court is now seeking arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Hamas's leader in Gaza, Yaya Sinwar. According to the ICC's chief prosecutor Karim Khan on Monday, the court is seeking warrants for both men on charges of war crimes and crimes against humanity over the October 7th attacks on Israel and the subsequent war in Gaza. Two other Hamas leaders are set to be subject to the warrant, while Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant's arrest warrant is also being sought by the prosecution. The Israeli Prime Minister slammed the court's decision to issue the arrest warrant against him, calling it absurd, adding that the move was meant to target all of Israel.
The absurd and deceitful warrant of the prosecutor in The Hague is aimed not only against Israel's Prime Minister and Defense Minister, it is aimed against the entire state of Israel. It is aimed against the IDF soldiers who are fighting with the utmost bravery against the vile murderers of Hamas who attacked us with horrendous brutality on October 7th.
Meanwhile, U.S. President Joe Biden also criticized the ICC's decision, calling it outrageous that it's seeking to arrest Netanyahu and other Israeli leaders. He stressed that there is no equivalence between Israel and Hamas. Pundits say that while it's unlikely that the Israeli and Hamas leaders will actually face prosecution, the arrest warrant could make it difficult for them to travel overseas, while a trial in the court would be especially embarrassing for the Israeli government. Seung-jae, Arirang News.